As you know, schools are going to start this year, and we are pretty sure that some of you are feeling very excited while some of you are feeling sad that the holiday phase is over. Now, if you're feeling stressed, then trust me, these feelings only stick around for a while. So instead of sitting and worrying about the school opening, start investing your energy in things that will give you a fruitful result this academic year. If you are wondering what things, then do watch this video till the end. But first, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so you can get updates on all our content. Let's start. Number 1. Prepare a timetable. If you want to make this academic year worth it, then start planning. This means taking a paper and preparing a timetable. In that, write down all the activities you will be doing during the day when your school starts. Include all things from playing games to spending time with your family and friends, but give priority to studies, because studies will decide your future and not those fun extracurricular activities. Number 2. Get organized. If a few days are left for school to start, then start organizing. This means not only buying a uniform, but also buying all the resources which you will need during the academic year, like study material, notebooks, highlighters, etc. Number 3. Stay focused and relaxed. Most students get tensed only from the thought of school starting. According to research, everyone feels that pressure for at least a week. So don't go hard on yourself. Instead, take it one day at a time and focus on the things that you want to achieve during the academic year. So these were the 3 most important things that you should consider doing if your school is going to start. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to tap that like button if you found it helpful and comment down below what you are most excited for this academic year. All the best.